This 2018 Dutchmen Coleman Light LX 1625 RB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This used Dutchman is 20 feet 6 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleeps 4, auxiliary battery, DVD player, microwave, smoke detector, air conditioning, spare tire kit, awning, slide-out, leveling jacks, Colorado detector, and 46 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Dutchmen Coleman Light LX 1625 RB is 3,556 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.